Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today we're checking out the surge protector from APC, the SurgeArrest. Let's open this thing up and see what's inside. This is the 11 outlet version, so it has 5 normal plugs and then it has 6 for like a transformer or wide plugs. So it has a bunch of plugs. Also has the 2 USB plugs for like charging stuff. Supposed to be smart USB. We'll see about that. Got this piece of paper here. And, look out, Gumby. We got us the surge protector. The wire has a 8-foot cord. And it swivels right there. And we got the on-off switch here, and we have 3 lights. We got the power indicator, we got the overload indicator, and building wiring fault. We got 2 USB ports here for charging, and like I said, we got these those dust covers here, and on the back we got us some wall mounts, so we can mount this on the wall or under a desk, or here, I'll show you a little trick of mounting this thing, so you don't have to do all the measuring. You just take a piece of tape, you want to make sure it's level, and I'm just doing it quick for this version to show you, but you're just going to make a couple holes there. Let's see. I'll use a screw. Just like that. Got this block of wood here. This will be like the desk or the wall. And you're just going to take that piece of tape and stick it. And this is where you put your mounting screws. And you're just going to drill those in. Not all the way down though, you want to leave a little bit out. And once you have those screws like sticking out just a little bit, voila, you're ready to mount your surge protector. Check that out. I hope maybe this mounting method might have helped somebody, you know, save a little bit of time. Instead of trying to measure and measure and measure, you just poke the holes and stick the tape. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.